light switch.
Okay. Light switch is on.
All right. Okay. Trying to get up in there, but you know, I don't think I got a ground. Well, that'll be a good ground right there. Make a little thingy. Okay. Oh man. Okay. So I'm trying to test the fusible link. Oh, I just got oil dripped and almost got me in the eye.
Oh yeah, you might want to keep an eye on where that's dripping from.
Yep, right there. That would have sucked. Oh, I just ripped a hole in that, whatever it is. Maybe I don't have a good ground. I gotta go to the frame somewhere. Well, I thought I was on the frame. You know, this might be the best ground ever, that one I just put.
So we followed the red wire to the starter, alternator?
Yeah, to the starter.
And then we looked at the red wires coming off the starter. And we found the two.
Oh, look, we do got power there. Son of a beach.
Okay,
But
on both sides?
I haven't gotten there yet.
Is that from the battery side or to the other side? Because if you have no power on the other side,
Yep, I got power on both sides of it.
okay, that's that one. What about the other one?
All right. Let's try it.
I forgot what this is called after all that research we did.
This is called a fusible link.
Fusible link.
Yeah, what it is a piece of shit fuse.
Alright, less bad language. I can only do so much bleeping out.
Oh, okay. Just go ahead and edit that.
Alright, so we have no headlights. We've tested everything else except for this.
Yeah.
There's no fuse for the headlights. It's a fusible link. And our goal is to test both sides of these two fusible links. And if one side of it doesn't work, then we don't have juice through it, and we'll fix that one, and then magically the headlights will be fixed. Right?
Bring it. That grease. Yep. So the headlight switch is on?
Yes.
Okay. Ain't that a pisser? Ain't that a pisser? Yep, it's all the way to the other side. That one too. Damn it! The fusible link is good.
On both ends?
Yes.
Coming into it and out of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Back to the drawing board.
We gotta go back to the switch.